my channel. This is my first video, and um, I am in my new house. We're already like living in for, it has been like 2 months already because I didn't do a lot of videos that time because I kind of forgot and I have forgetting memories, kind of, and yeah. So I'm gonna do slime haul. Slime, how much slime I have and stuff. So yeah, let's get started. So the first one is my friend's. It says LM, her initials, but kind of got erased. She let me borrow it for like 2 weeks or something because yeah, this is it's like a rose gold slime color, and it's a very really pokey and it's really stretchy. I'm gonna give it back to her like someday, and don't forget to subscribe to her channel. Her YouTube channel name is Lazza Maker, Lazza, and Mager, like that. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe her and like this comment, like this video, and like, subscribe. Sorry, I said like this comment. Well, you could still like other people's comments. And then my friend gave this to me. This is like yellow with fake chocolate chips. It's very fluffy and cloudy, and I like cloudy stuff. I added a little bit Play-Doh, like dough, like red dough. I wanted to see how it looks like, but it got kind of more stickier. So you can see the chocolate chips. It's fake. It looks real. Looks like I want to eat it, but I don't. People are gonna think I'm weird. Sorry for the background sound. My cousins are here, and yeah, they're kind of noisy. So yeah, guys, this this one, and I have two more. I have this yellow slime. This yellow slime is not that stretchy because it's my sister. It smells good, but it's really, it's like, looks very disgusting. That's why I don't play with it. And this is my slime, the purple slime. It's made out of clear. It's very, really like, this is like clear purple, and I love it. So we